1 month we're back at an airport. We're leaving Phuket. We're really sad but also very excited because we get to go to the mountains, to Chiang Mai. Now we spent 1 month on the beach, got our tan on. Daniel's going through security with his medicine. I hope he doesn't have trouble. The medicine made it through after describing what it is.
Apparently the only medication that needs to be on board in Thailand is insulin, so they were asking me if it's insulin like 10 times.
We are now on our 1 hour and 55 minutes flight to Chiang Mai. There's almost no people. It's totally empty. So I guess there's still not that many tourists filling up the plane.
We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you.
นี่คือการรักษาภายในห้องโดยสารและในห้องนั้นตลอดการเดินทางครับ
We're in our room, paying 20 euros per night. Very good price. It's right in the old town. It's a small room, but it's very modern and bright. I'm excited. This already feels so different. Like the view out of our window. There's no beach close to here. There's no palm trees. I mean, there is some, but it's not the same.
Okay, enough room tour.
Okay.
Beverly, right.
5 วันต้องอาศัยฉันกล้วยฉันพึก
We found this vegetarian restaurant on Google Maps and we were like, okay, let's try it out, and now we're here. And they just have like this one table and you just point to what you want, and I don't even know what I got. It just looked good. And you... what are you getting?
I don't know.
We have no idea. No idea how much it costs. Okay, so I got the cow soy, I think. And you just got the mixed table of everything. Delicious. For those 2 portions that we had just now, we paid 80 baht. That's like the least we've ever paid since we've been to Thailand for food. And now we got some teas. You got the Thai iced tea and I got the chocolate something. We are now at one of the temples. I think this one is called what something. Those wax figures looked so real. I totally thought someone was sitting there. The pagoda looks so beautiful in the sunlight. And the pagoda is actually covered in gold. When now checking out the old town, and it's actually a lot less crowded than we thought. There's like no people on the street. Even at the temple that we just visited, barely any tourists.
Barely any.
Barely.
Barely any.
It's always making fun of me. We're back in air conditioning and we decided to get a massage. What's it called?
I think Happy Tree.
Giving Tree.
Giving Tree is what
Giving Tree
Lisa and
massage.
Josh recommended.
It's only gonna be 300 baht per person for the traditional Thai massage. It's the first one we have, and we've been here for months. It's about time that we got one. I'm not gonna film there. I feel weird about being like, okay, can I film this? When was your last massage?
In Istanbul?
So it's been over like half a year. We both have like neck pain.
But that just comes from the super hard back.
A few moments later.
We're back from our massage. It was really good. They sit on top of you. Daniel's over me filming. We're gonna go get some street food.
I want a fruit shake.
Fruit shake?
All ready to go.
Alright.
Mango and passion fruit.
It's so hard to decide where to eat. There's so many stands and everything looks so good. We're just gonna keep walking until we make a decision. You don't even know where to look, like everything looks so good. We found cow soy place, how's the shake? And there's definitely a lot more people here. Feels a lot more lively and a lot of locals eating here. With cow soy you always get this. Oh, spicy. It's like pickled, I don't know what it is.
Cabbage.
Dinner served. First cow soy for him in Chiang Mai. What are you eating?
Coconut milk with rice, flour mix and sweet corn and pumpkin.
What was it called again?
I don't know.
Coconut pudding, I think.
Oh,
It's good?
yeah. You
How-
won't like that.
I won't like it because it's very coconutty. Good morning! We are having mango sticky rice for breakfast with a view. It was only 40 baht. It's the cheapest mango sticky rice we've seen so far. And it's a really big portion too, so I feel like this might become our go-to breakfast here. Although there's some very cute cafes, but they're usually a little more expensive. We look the most tourist ever. Got my fanny pack, got my sweatpants. You got your little baggie, got a camera, got sunglasses.
Bye.
We're ready to explore the city. Peace out. We are at temple number 2 in Chiang Mai, and this one is the biggest one, and I think the oldest one. Unfortunately, the main temple is under construction right now. I don't know if they're building it or if they're just renovating it, but it looks really cool from inside. There are like these really high columns. Now we're walking onto the like old part. The temple actually collapsed in an earthquake, and that's why the whole top part is missing. It took a very long time to build, I think over 50 years, because they had a bunch of construction issues and stability issues. Everything around the old temple was reconstructed in 1990, so only like 30 years ago by UNESCO and the Japanese government, apparently. I looked up some facts on Buddhism in Thailand. Actually, 95% of the population are Buddhists. And there are 300,000 monks living in Thailand. Every man in Thailand is actually required to become a monk for a period of time. It can be only 1 or 2 days, but every male has to do that. And there are actually very many rules the monks have to follow. They cannot talk loud or laugh. And they have a very regulated schedule when they go to the temples, when they wake up. Of course, they all wear these yellow robes. And there are over 30,000 temples in Thailand. Yeah, these are some fun facts about Buddhism that I had no idea about, especially here in Thailand and being surrounded by all these temples. We are getting a haircut. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, he's gonna start.
Just got home from my haircut. Daniel's getting his right now, but mine is... I mean, it's fine, but it's still super long, and the problem was I told her not to cut it too short on the sides, and then she just didn't cut anything. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how Daniel looks when he comes home. Hi! Are you happy with your haircut?
I am, but I have to shower and style it differently.
Turn it around?
I think the back is not that interesting.